I wanna party like Chris Farley.
Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh So today's topic is how to install Aosip Android 10 on Mi11. I've already installed it. I'll show you again all the process. See, as you can see, I've already installed it. As you can see, it is installed. So I'll show you the whole process again. It's a very simple process. See, you just have to download Aosip Android 10 ROM. I recommend you to download the included gaps ROM because Android 10 gaps are not available currently. I have tried installing it but it is not available. So download the included gaps ROM. So I have downloaded it. So let's boot into TWRP. As you can see, we are booted in TWRP. See, I have kept the ROM file in Aosip 9.0. As you can see, it is a ROM file. Then just go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik system and data, and wipe it. Once you have done it, just go to install and install this ROM. As it is included with gaps, you don't need to flash any gaps file again. And as you can see, it start installing. The process may take time, so I'll skip the video. As you can see, the ROM is installed. See, it is showing successful. Now just go to reboot and recovery. When I first installed this ROM and tried Magisk, it didn't work. So let's see this time it works or not. Just go to install and install the Magisk. Let's see it works or not. See, as you can see, it is not working. It gives error. So as the root is not working, so if you are planning to install all the apps using migrate, you can't, as it is not rooted. As we have flashed the ROM included gaps, just reboot to system. And the ROM will get installed. So I'll be back after the ROM is installed. As you can see, the ROM is installed. So I'll be back after the setup is done. As you can see, setup is almost done. As you can see, the setup is done. So let's see the about phone. As you can see, Android 10 is installed. I personally like the Easter egg. See, you can play like this. As you can see, the Aosip ROM is installed. As it is installed, the review of this ROM is coming soon. So what do you think? How was the video? Tell me in comment section. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. So we'll do the next video. Thank you.
What just happened?